Welcome to Time Capsule, Interstellar Series, Heart Intelligence Practice, strengthening the heart as the central anchor and intelligence center for safely embedding frequencies and navigating interstellar modes. Let's begin. You may sit or lie. Ensure you are comfortable and fully supported. Place one or both hands on your heart's center. Breathe gently into the heart space. Inhale expansion. Exhale release. Resting your eyes naturally to close. Feel the warmth, rhythm, or subtle pulsing of the heart. Silently affirm, I activate and strengthen my heart intelligence as the primary guide for coherence and interstellar navigation. Imagine or feel the heart field expanding gently outward, creating a stable, coherent field around you. Invite any new or unfamiliar frequencies to be received and anchored through the heart first. Repeat silently, I allow my heart to discern and integrate what serves. Rest in this coherent field for a few quiet moments, noticing any sensations of warmth, lightness, stability, or clear knowing. Close by thanking your heart and gently returning your awareness to the present. For integration, practice daily, morning and evening. Notice how heart-led decisions and sensing become clearer over the days and weeks ahead. Use this exercise as the foundation before all quantum field exploration or telepathic attunement in the future. This completes our heart intelligence exercise. Stay with me now, more to come.